Fratelli e sorelle, ricordiamoci questo. Il Signore viene a noi quando prendiamo le distanze.
Brothers and sisters, let us remember this. The Lord comes to us when we step back from our presumptuous ego.
Io sono presuntuoso,
We ask ourselves, am I presumptuous?
migliore degli altri.
Do I believe that I'm better than
Io
others?
guardo qualcuno così,
Do I look at other
poco
people?
disprezzo.
Do I look down on other people
Ringrazio, Signore, perché
and say, I thank you, Lord, because you have saved me, because I'm not like all these other people who don't understand anything? I go to church,
io vado a messa,
I go to Mass,
io sono sposato,
I am married,
nella chiesa, questi sono
married in the
tutti
church,
peccatori.
and these ones, they're all divorced and they're sinners.
Il tuo cuore è così,
Is your heart like that?
andrai all'inferno.
You will go to hell, yeah?
Per avvicinarsi a Dio, dire Signore, io sono
Coming closer to God, it says, Lord, and say to Him, Lord, I am a sinner.
riuscito se io non sono caduto nella sporcizia più grande perché la tua misericordia mi ha
In a way that, Lord, I haven't fallen in the deepest hell because your mercy has saved me.
Grazie a te, Signore.
This is our attitude, to say, thank you, Lord, because I'm what I am, thanks to you.
Non mi sono distrutto con il peccato.
Because I can say, thank you, Lord, because I haven't been distracted, I haven't destroyed myself by sin.
Può le distanze con noi quando con onestà
God can preach the distance whenever, with honesty and sincerity, we bring ourselves, our weaknesses before Him.
per rialzarsi quando
He holds out His hand and He lifts us up. Whenever we realize we are hitting rock bottom, and we turn back to Him with a sincere heart.
fondo, perché
That is how God is. He is waiting for us deep down, for in Jesus He chose to descend to the depths, to take the lowliest place and to make Himself the servant of all.
di accogliere la nostra
He's waiting for us down there because He's unafraid to descend even to our inner abysses, to touch the wounds of our flesh, to embrace our poverty, our failures in life, and the mistakes we make through weakness and negligence.
ci aspetta specialmente quando con tanta umiltà
God
andiamo a
awaits
chiedere
us
perdono nel sacramento della
when with humility we go and ask for forgiveness in the sacrament of confession. God awaits us there.
fratelli, sorelle. Facciamo oggi un esame di coscienza.
Brothers and sisters, today let us make an examination of conscience,
Il fariseo e il pubblicano
because
abitano
the Pharisee and the tax collector both dwell deep within
non
us.
nascondiamoci
Let us not hide behind the hypocrisy of appearances,
ma affidiamo
but entrust to the Lord's mercy
le nostre
our darkness, our mistakes.
errori. Pensiamo ai nostri errori, non alle
Let us think of our mistakes,
nostre miserie,
our wretchedness,
che per vergogna non siamo capaci di condividere. Sta bene, ma
the
con Dio
wretchedness that sometimes we are not even able to share with one another.
quando ci
It's okay.
confessiamo,
God
ci
understands.
mettiamo in fondo come il
When we go to confession, we stand far off at the back like the publican, in order to acknowledge the distance between God's dream for our lives and the reality of who we are each day. Poor sinners.
In quel momento il Signore si
At that
fa
moment,
vicino,
the
il
Lord
Signore
draws
accorcia le
near to us.
distanze e ci
He
rimette
brings the
in piedi.
distance
In quel momento,
and sets us
mentre
back
ci
on our
sentiamo
feet.
sporchi,
At that moment, when we
Lui ci
realize
veste
that we are
con la
naked,
testa.
He clothes us with the festal garment.
Essere
That is, and that must be the meaning of the sacrament of reconciliation, a festal encounter
guarisce il cuore
that
e
heals
lascia
the
la pace
heart
dentro.
and leaves us
Non
with
un
inner
tribunale
peace.
umano,
Not a
cui aver
human
paura,
tribunal
ma un
to
abbraccio
approach with
divino
dread,
per cui essere consolati.
but a divine embrace in which to find consolation.
Di come ci accoglie Dio e la tenerezza dell'abbraccio che
One of the most beautiful things
quando
is the tenderness of
il
God.
figlio torna a casa e incomincia il discorso, non lascio parlare, gli abbraccio e non è riuscito a parlare dell'abbraccio misericordioso.
It's like just being embraced in God's hands in such a way that we can't even talk. We are so taken by His love and His tenderness.
Fratelli, perdonate tutto,
My brothers and sisters, I invite you to learn to forgive. Forgive everything, forgive everyone without putting anything in your consciences.
la gente dica le sue cose,
Let people say whatever they have to say, you be like Jesus, have that tenderness and that silence in your hearts. Once again, I remind you that the sacrament of confession is not torture. It's there to give peace. I invite you, therefore, dear priests, to forgive everything like God has forgiven everything from you, has forgiven you everything. In this season of Lent, with contrite hearts, let us quietly say, like the tax collector, God, be merciful to me, a sinner. Let us repeat it. God, be merciful to me, a sinner. God, be merciful to me, a sinner.
Oh Dio, abbi pietà di me peccato. Dio, quando mi dimentico di te o ti trascuro,
when I forget you, or I neglect you, when I prefer my words and those of the world to your own word, when I presume to be righteous and look down on others, when I gossip about others, God, be merciful to me, a sinner.
abbi pietà di me peccato. Quando non mi prendo cura di chi mi sta accanto,
when I care nothing for those all around me, when I'm indifferent to the poor and the suffering, the weak and the out.
Per I peccati contro la vita,
For my sins against life, for my bad example that stains the lovely face of Mother Church, for my sins against creation, O God, be merciful to me, a sinner. For my hidden sins, for my ways in which I've unconsciously wronged others.
Per I miei peccati nascosti, quelli che nessuno conosce.
For my hidden sins, for the ways in which I have unconsciously wronged others, and for the good I could have done and yet failed to do. God, be merciful to me, a sinner.
In silenzio, ripetiamo per qualche istante col cuore pentito e fiducioso. O Dio, abbi pietà di me peccatore. In silenzio. Ognuno lo ripete nel suo cuore.
And silently we try and repeat these words in our hearts. God, be merciful to me, a sinner. We take a moment and we repeat these words in our hearts.
O Dio, abbi pietà di me peccatore.